Welcome to Star Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make this must-try 3-ingredient summer dessert mango sorbet. So let's get started. So guys, I will start by taking 2 mangoes, then peel and dice them into pieces. Next, transfer them to a plate or a container, then clear wrap them. Then I will let them freeze for a couple of hours. Once the mangoes are frozen, I will put them into the blender, then add some lemon juice. Next, I will add honey to enhance its sweetness and blend all of these ingredients together until it forms into smooth texture. And then next I'll transfer the mixture to a container and clear wrap it and let it set for 4 to 5 hours until it sets. And there you go guys. Next I will scoop and serve it. Make sure to try it at your home, this mango sorbet recipe. This recipe is not only easy to make at your home but also is healthy and delicious, perfect for your summer dessert. Thank you for watching my video and let me know in comments how you felt after trying this recipe out.